Today we're going to review the different list views in Jira and also comment on how it can be confusing that there are two different views that are referred to as list view. So here you can see I'm in my demo org in Jira and I'm in the marketing project. I'm currently under my Kanban board and you can see here at the top of this customizable nav bar, you'll see something that says list. This is one of the list views within Jira. This is a rather new feature within Jira. If you do want to make this more prominent, if it's your primary go-to, what you can do is you can click and you can drag and reorganize the order in which these items land on your personal navigation bar on this project. Or if you wanted, you can go through and you can customize your navigation bar. So you can add more things under more, you can remove sections. So if you hover over this that says code, hit the ellipses icon, you can actually remove this. And then you can always re-add it if you did want to add it back to your navigation again. So you can simplify your view here on your navigation bar and reorder these items here as you see fit, but there is no way to make one particular view the default view. It'll always automatically default to the board. Perhaps this is something that Atlassian will change in the future, but this custom navigation at the top here with all these different items, including the list view, are rather new features that have been released. So again, this first list view is what's here available on the personal or customizable navigation bar. The other list view is actually under the All Work tab. So if you go over to All Work, there are a couple of different things that you can select here. First, you'll notice that I'm in JQL view. You can have it under Basic View to help you filter on some items. I prefer JQL because it allows me to be more specific in what I'm looking for. The other view that you have here is the other list view. So you can be in this list view or you can be in detail view. Now, unlike the list view that's in this custom navigation bar, this list view, if you move to All Work tab, if you go to the All Work tab frequently enough and you often select the list view, Jira will start to remember that you want this list view to remain in list view and not detail view. It'll also start to remember your column defaults. And so if you want to see certain views, it will remember what those different default views are. And so if you were to go to Google and you were to ask, can you make the list view a default in Jira? It'll probably say yes. Meanwhile, others in forums will likely say no. The reason why you'll get this conflicting response is because, again, this list view under the All Work tab will start to remember, Jira will start to remember your list view as your default. And so therefore the default for this list view under the All Work tab will remain the same. However, you cannot set the new list view that's on the customizable navigation bar to your default yet. And that's why some people are likely getting conflicting responses. So hopefully Atlassian will clarify with the different list views, and I think it would overall be helpful if you could make whatever tab in this personal navigation bar that you go to the most frequently your default. But as of right now, that's not the case.